Cannes is really my favorite boat show because first of all it's a beautiful area, so it's Côte d'Azur.
We've been coming here to Cannes consistently now for the last 5 years. We find it a great addition to the show season.
We're delighted to celebrate it more here in Cannes and reinforce our presence every year.
And to be in the show with the luxury of the boats, the luxury of the caviar, so everything matches perfectly.
I like the format of the Cannes Boat Show compared to other boat shows. For us it's very important to be able to sea trial our boats.
This market is a market of toys for boys, so a certain optimism is necessary.
It's a very important show for us. It's a very, very international show.
Imagine we have here dealers from Australia, from China, from Brazil, all around Europe. We really believe in this event, definitely.